welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're looking at this pocket rocket sent by Sixmoto, a company that makes a variety of ride-on vehicles that are very cool and very unique. So if you guys wanted your own, check out the link down below in the description. And in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The following video is sponsored by Timekettle M2. This here is a 3-in-1 headphone that simply opens up just like this, and inside here will house our earphones that serve three purposes. One, you can go ahead and listen to music on the go. Two, you can go ahead and translate over 93 languages in a 2-in-1 conversation using the app that's built into it, as well as make phone calls. So literally, it is a smart device for your ear. Now, if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at a pocket rocket. Sweet. Alright guys, check it out. So this here is our actual motorcycle. Overall, a really cool design concept. It wasn't too hard to build, but you can see that it looks very nice for what it is. Now this is designed for kids. Unfortunately, I don't want my son driving this just because he's only 3 years old. So I myself will be riding it, but keep in mind that it is for kids. Exercise caution. So with that said, let's go ahead and take this thing outside and try it out. What? Oh! That sounds cool. Oh, crap, at the last smoke!
It died?
Oh man.
What happened?
Well, I guess I just ran out of fuel. Alright, well there you guys have it. So this here is our Sixmoto Pocket Rocket. Definitely a lot of fun and definitely a very unique experience. I really like the well-built quality of it and the fact that it is very easy to use. Literally just a throttle, brake, and that's about it. Now again, not used for adults, but overall still capable if you really want to. So just exercise caution when you do ride it. Other than that, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.